Hey G Squad, welcome back to Startup. Is it worth it? So today's episode, we got this crewmate here, and basically what this is a really cool product from what I saw online. Someone posted about this product here, so I was actually very curious about it. So what it is supposed to be like a battery charger that can charge the battery. I think it can work for any battery, or you guys probably need their specific battery that they have here. But we do have the product here, so I'm gonna open this up first and see what the inside looks like in terms of what you guys do get here first. I do want to see if I can open it this way here. If not, I'll open it the way that's the other way here. So it looks like they designed it in this way for you to pull it in the top part right here to remove it. Alright, so once you guys open it, inside right here we do have the product. And supposedly it comes in a set of the products inside. So let's take a look and see what we do have here. So they give you guys some batteries inside. So it looks like there is AA batteries inside. Looks like it's all AA batteries inside here. Yeah, AA batteries, and then inside right here we do have the charging station. So how it works is that I think you guys put the battery inside and then dispense the battery into the bottom once it's fully charged, so that's pretty cool. So this is pretty much what the package looks like for this product here, and then here are the batteries that you guys get with the pre-charge. I think you guys can actually buy these batteries from this brand, from OLIGHT, which I show you guys a lot of their flashlights, very high quality in terms of ways to get. But this one they do mention 3-in-1 smart battery charger. So analyze, charge, and organize them inside, which is pretty cool. And yeah, this is pretty much what it looks like here. So let's open up and take a look and see what the inside looks like here. So once you guys open up, it has like a README instruction to tell you guys to only use the USB-C power delivery adapter. I think they provide for it for you guys inside here to use. And they show you guys how it kind of works and everything on here. But they do provide you guys like the user manual and stuff here once you guys do open it. So user manual here, take out this part right here for the cushion protection, and underneath that we do have a lot of stuff as well. So we do have a little bag. This bag is reusable for invalid batteries. So I guess when the battery is dead, then you guys can put this inside to dispose it, recycle it. And then right here they provide guys a cable. So they provide guys a USB-C to USB-C cable for you guys to use. And then right here they do provide guys a AC and DC adapter here. Let me get my box cutter here to open it. So once we open this one up, let's see what it looks like inside. So they recommend you guys to use their charger that they have here to charge it. I wonder if there's anything else inside here. Looks like just the user manual inside here and a little cushion. But this is a charger that's provided for you guys, so they recommend using this one here. I think if you guys have your own, it probably will work, but this is the one that is provided for you guys here to use. And then last but not least here, we do have the product. So if you guys do take this one out, definitely a really big charger here, but it's really cool how they designed it for you guys to put the used batteries inside here. And then once you guys finish putting the used batteries on top, then they dispense at the bottom and just pull one out each time for you guys to use, which is pretty awesome. And then right here we do have a little bin. So if the battery looks fine, clean the terminal and reload it for recheck. So I think this is analyzing option here, or maybe for recycling here. And then we have the button here for it to press. They said this is called the OLIGHT X right here. And this is pretty much what the overall unit looks like in terms of what you guys do get here. Definitely looks pretty cool. You guys can dispense it out by pushing it out like this, which is kind of cool little design here. Back part right here we have USB-C, so I guess that's where you guys plug it in to activate the unit. And the top part right here, they do have the option for you guys to open and close it. Kind of cool little design there. And you guys do have the option to take out the top part right here as well, in case if you guys do have batteries stuck or whatever, but this is what the inside compartment looks like here if you guys are curious. And yeah, I think that's pretty much everything that's on here for the unit. Looks pretty cool in terms of what we do get. So according to the photo on here, they mentioned how there is an air inlet. So this is the air inlet here, LED indicator light, power button, invalid battery, storage pickup compartment here, and then the charging compartment is right here inside that you just saw. So let's plug this in and let's give it a try and see what actually works. So I think I'm gonna try the first test using my own USB-C charger here, plug it in and see what happens. So we got it plugged in here and the light is blinking, so I guess it does work. And immediately once we do plug it in, I can hear the fan starting to blow inside to start the unit already. So let's open up one of these and put it inside. They do mention how it's pre-charged, so I don't think you guys need to charge it, but let's see if it works. So they do have 8 of these batteries in each one of these boxes, but there's a lot of them inside. So I'll just open up a few of them and then put it inside and see what happens when we do use it and see if it actually works or not. So all you need to do, open it up. I think you just put it inside right here and it starts working. All right. So once I put it inside right there, it somehow lands perfectly into the slot. So that's right now each one of the slots inside. Hopefully you can see inside right there. And it starts blinking light right here to red. So it's blinking a light right here. Let me see what that means. All right, so I got the product kind of working here. So it is charging, and there is an app for you guys to download as well from OLIGHT. So once you guys have it all connected on here, it should start blinking blue by pressing 5 times on here, and it should show up right here for you guys to add. So we're gonna add the device right now. Shouldn't take too long to add it. And then once you guys add it successfully on here, it will show you guys the battery percentage for each one of the unit, which is nice. So you can see this is what it looks like for each one of the batteries. So once it's fully charged, it'll dispense it out and you don't have to worry about it overcharging or anything, which is nice. So they do mention how it's fully charged, but right now it's showing that it is charging. Probably take around 2 minutes for it to charge it up. So the standard or fast charging, so you guys can actually charge it fast if you guys do want. If you guys see on the bottom right here, you guys can control that, so that's pretty cool. So it should dispense it to the bottom part once it's done, but it doesn't look like the battery is fully charged. When they mention how it's pre-charged, it's not fully charged, so make sure to fully charge the unit before you guys do start using it. So I'm gonna put these back in here and let it charge. So when you guys do the fast charging option, it does really charge fast. Definitely love this little design here, how fast it does charge and how convenient it is. You just literally just open it up and put it inside and just let it start charging, which is pretty cool. So I'm gonna put all of them inside right here and see how long it takes to kind of charge it up. But I just realized, looking at the bottom part here, when it says 3 minutes, that means how long it's been charging. So the units there are not fully charged, so you definitely want to make sure it's fully charged first. So let's open up all these batteries here, put it inside, and let it charge. And what's cool about it is that technically you don't even need to use a case to hold it, because this is the case kind of to hold it inside. When you guys need it, you guys can just take it out, so that's pretty cool. And I don't think it even matters which side you guys put it on. Both sides, when you guys put it on, it will start charging automatically, which is pretty cool. All right. So I'm gonna put the rest of these batteries inside right here, and once it gets closer to the point where it's almost fully charged, I'm gonna record it and show you guys what it looks like on here when you guys do that, and see what happens once it's fully charged. So I'm gonna pause the video here until it's kind of fully charged a little bit first. All right, so this is pretty much what the product looks like as we're charging the unit on here. And see, we have all the batteries inside here, and you guys see how the light right here showing you guys that it's charging right there. That's how you guys pretty much know. And I think it shows you guys when it's fully charged by looking at the light here. If it's like down here, that means not fully charged, but once it gets closer here, that means fully charged. And then on the app right here, as I show you guys, you can see how it's charging here. You can see, so 75, 60, 94, and 71%. So definitely almost charged, and it's been charging for roughly around 9 minutes, if you guys can see right here on the screen. So I'm assuming once it's fully charged, then the battery should just drop down right here, so that way you guys know it's fully charged, so that's pretty cool. So we'll just keep waiting here until it gets to 100% for that one battery and see what happens when it does fully charge. All right, so we're almost there, 4 more percent for that one that we have. So the thing about batteries as well is that once it gets close to 100%, it slows down the charge by a lot to prevent it from overcharging when you guys do use it. So that's probably why it's taking so long for that one there. But it's definitely getting there if you guys can see the charge speed on there. But really cool device in terms of how it does help you guys charge the devices when you guys do use it. And notice how the other ones are catching up already because of how slow it's charging for the one that we have that is probably slowing the charge because, like I mentioned, it's getting closer. And I also love how I show you guys when the battery is like invalid or is fully charged. It show you guys here as well. All the information that you guys probably want to know is all on here, which is pretty neat. All right, so it's showing that it's 100% right there. You can see it took some time for the update on the system on here. So I wonder, did they wait for all of them to fully charge before they disperse one of them on there? Because that one's at 100%, but nothing's happening for that one just yet. Let's wait and see what happens. I have a feeling that it might just dispense all of them at once it's fully charged for all of them. That's probably what might happen here, because that's already at 100% and nothing's happening for that one there. You can see the other ones at 90, 82, and 64. So maybe I have to let it fully charge for all of them first before it even drops them all down. And it kind of makes sense because if it drops one of them down, then all of them will drop. So that's probably why they want to wait for all of them to fully charge first. So we'll wait for all of them to fully charge first and then come back and take a look at it to see how it works in a bit or what happens after. All right, so we're definitely getting closer and closer to it, but we're not quite there yet. So 100, 196, and then 68 for that one there. So that one definitely take a longer than we would want, but it's fine. We'll just wait for it to finish charging. It's been roughly around 15 minutes that it's been charging, and I wonder will it charge even faster for this unit after once the rest is all fully charged. All right, so all of them are fully charged except for that one right here for 71%, and nothing's dropping just yet, so that confirms that it will not drop until all 4 of them is fully charged, then it will drop. So this one might take some time for it to let it charge, so we'll let it fully charge and see what happens once it's done. All right, so it took a lot longer than I expected, so I went to do some stuff first and come back and check on it after. So right now we're at 96% here, and I mentioned how this one took 16 minutes, 11 minutes, 15 minutes, and right now it's 30 minutes for this one here, so it's taking really long. But if you guys just let it charge by itself, you don't really have to worry about it, because once it's fully charged, it drops down and the next one will start charging. So it's currently at 97% right now, you can see right here. So almost there. I'm probably gonna keep an eye on it now since it's getting closer and closer to that percentage of 100% on here, just so we can see what happens once it does get to that fully charged level. I'm pretty sure any minute now or any second now, it should reach that percentage and it drop. So let's see. Now we can kind of see what the screen looks like after kind of charge up and the battery is fully charged. All right, so 99%, almost there. Let's see what happens. Probably gonna hold it up like this so that we can see it at the same time. All right, so it's 100. Batteries were fully charged during this period, 1. But let's see what happens now that it's fully charged. So it looks like something dropped, if you guys can see. All right, so there's the battery right there. So I think what's happening right now is analyzing the information of how many batteries fully charged, because there was 1 earlier and now showing 2, and one of the battery drops from the bottom part here. So it's pretty slow, but it definitely does charge the unit on here, and I think it's analyzing each one on here just to make sure that it's fully charged before dropping into this bottom part here. So there should be 4 batteries in total, but it's taking some time for it to drop down. So there's another one there. So showing you guys 3 of them is fully charged, but so far only 2 of them dropped so far. So the process itself definitely takes some time, but if you guys just leave it running, you don't have to worry about it, and it will drop down by itself over time. So that's pretty much how the product works on here, and I don't want to stay here watching it for too long, but you can see how it does work. So once it's fully charged, just go at the bottom here, click on it to bring it out if you guys do want the battery inside. If not, push back inside there, and it'll be ready for you guys to use it when you guys do need it. So very cool design there, you can see. And then once all the batteries are fully analyzed and fully charged, then it will start charging the next one again. You can see how it's slowly dropping down the batteries inside. So there should be 1 more dropping down. I think it'll start charging after it drops down. But it does show 4 right here, you can see. I'll wait a couple minutes, a few more minutes just in case if something does happen here. But definitely a pretty long process here, you can see. All right, so all 4 dropped down, you can see right there. And it should start charging the next one here. You can kind of see how the batteries inside right there is moving because it's being analyzed and everything before it starts charging. But very automated and very robotic design here for the unit. Obviously, it won't be as fast compared to when you guys are using like a charging station yourself for battery chargers. That probably charge a lot faster than this way here, but it's pretty cool how you can put it inside and let it do its own thing and don't have to worry about it. And to charge it overnight, all the batteries will be inside here, and maybe this part, the way how to design it, will help you guys keep the batteries and everything inside here to keep it prolong the life of the battery inside as well for a longer period of time, maybe. But yeah, that's pretty much what it looks like once it charges up. I think you just have to leave it here and let it start charging by itself. You can see how the light starts charging right there. And then now I'll show you guys the battery percentage on here and see. So that's pretty much how it works for the unit here. Just does that over and over again until all of them fully charged. Pretty cool little product here in terms of how it works, but it definitely takes some time. All right, so see how it does work when you guys use the product. Pretty cool how once it's fully charged, when you guys do look on the app right here that I showed you guys earlier as well, once it finishes fully charging the unit, it pretty much dispenses it out onto the bottom. That's pretty cool. And it shows you guys how long it takes to recharge the product, or how long it's been charging and how long it takes to recharge it. So a lot of information that's on here, and you don't have to worry about it. Just let it do its own thing and just come back and check on it once it's fully charged and grab the battery when you guys do need. And if there's anything wrong with the battery on there, it will just dispense it down to the invalid battery if there's any issues with it. So it analyzes it for you as well. But yeah, so that's pretty much everything that's on this product here. So pretty much to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. Yes, I honestly think this product is pretty worth it. If you guys are on the market looking for some of this to charge your batteries, I think this works for like AA batteries and AAA batteries, and some other ones as well, but I think those two are the ones that it works for sure. Or mainly this one is probably only for AA batteries. I need to do some more research about that. But pretty cool product overall. That way you guys don't have to worry about recharging your batteries, finding where batteries are. You guys will know exactly where they are. And once it's fully charged, it dispenses it out so it won't overcharge. Because there's a lot of other batteries out there. When you guys leave it in the charger, it stays there and it doesn't come out unless you guys pull it out yourself. So just keep that in mind. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously save your money for something else that's actually doing it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously save your money for something else that you actually do need.